Hello, this is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library here to show you a recipe from Robertson's One Dish Vegan, available for checkout at your library branch. In today's recipe, I will show you how to make vegan savory herb biscuits. For the ingredients, we will need all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, dried oregano, unsweetened plain almond milk, and vegetable oil. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, and oregano, which is optional. You can change out the herb you'd like to use. Form a well in your flour mixture and add the milk and oil. Mix well until your dough starts to form. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl while mixing. When well combined, it should look something like this. Using a 1/4 measuring cup, scoop out the dough onto a prepared baking sheet about 1 inch apart. This size is perfect for having the biscuit shape that you want. Time to put your biscuits in a preheated oven at 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, or until the tops are golden and the bottoms are brown. Carefully remove the biscuits from the oven and enjoy with any dish. Thank you for joining me on Cooking with the GPL collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.